we've had a lot of fun lately with good bench-made copies of period furniture. This is an Eldred Wheeler secretary that was made in the 20th century using construction techniques and designs of the 18th century. First of all, Eldred Wheeler is known for their incredible cuts of wood. Their selection is second to none. Here we have wonderful panels of rampant tiger maple. And then as you take a look at this and go further into it, it just gets better and better with every fold that you make. You've got a nested, tiered interior here. You've got these wonderful little candle slides as they would have been in the period. Okay, this is lot number 3241. We have 8 pieces of custom-made Wheeler in this auction, and I think it's a great alternative to somebody who would like the look but doesn't want to go all in on the period furniture.